Hi everyone, I am Danny from South Africa, Johannesburg in particular. um, so basically, I had been looking online for ways to make money on Facebook, and I happened to bump into a guy by the name of Deepu. And he basically explained to me what Weshare is about and how you can make money from literally absolutely nothing. And I was really interested in it, and I liked the idea that I didn't have to invest anything, but I could basically grow some funds. I am somebody who is looking for a lot of passive incomes, and so this WeShare platform had fit into my life and what I was looking for very easily. I've been with WeShare for just over a month now, and it's slow but steady growth. And they always say you have to have patience to receive some great things in life. So yeah, I'm thoroughly happy with my progress I've made so far. I have one referral underneath me, um, and I just love the idea that in my future, I will be able to acquire some decent amount of money to fund anything else in my life. With COVID and the pandemic, it's been really hard here. I guess really hard in the entire world. But yes, WeShare is an amazing platform. I'm really enjoying it. I can't wait to stake all the pools. I can't wait to gather more referrals. Unfortunately, it is kind of hard sharing how to do everything with people, but as soon as we can go out and share this knowledge with people, we'll definitely be able to pick up. So yeah, thank you to everybody at WeShare. Thank you to Deepu for sharing this with us. And I'm looking forward to just more progress, more growth, and receiving my dollars. So thank you.